Okay, now that I have the burgers, let me put them up here. And there we go. That was simple. I kind of wish I have a pet. That'd be great. Who the heck? Do you want to be the owner? That was a bit random, but okay. Come in here. You missed. There we go. What do you want me to name you? How about what? That's like so cute, so epic, and awesome. Okay, I know. Stay here. There we go. A bow. You like it? You can use it as a weapon, as a crowbar, because it's kind of like bended as a crowbar anyway. And it's a bow. And it's plastic. Oh, you like it? That is so adorable. I'm back, and what is that? It's my new pet. It just came over here randomly, and I got it as a pet. What's his name? Oh my God, it said his name. It's so cute. Oh, what did it say? What's it? What's it is his name. What was it? Welcome to the family. Okay, so any customer? Oh, yes. Someone came in here and ordered these burgers, and I put the other stuff, and we got one. Ooh. Well, you have to go. Huh? Red ride, remember? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, our first stop is at New York, baby. New York? Uh-huh. Close the shop or leave it. Right. Want it? Can you do it? Good dog. Hold on. There. And we are off. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the final episode of The Job. Stay tuned for more.